Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Darshana. I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my experiences from Meesho. As I have shopped a lot from Meesho, so I thought why not share with you guys. So today's haul will be a mixed haul of both Indian wear and Western wear. So if you want to know which dresses I bought, so keep on watching this video guys. But before that, those of you who don't know about Meesho app, let me tell you something about the app. So Meesho is a reselling app from where you can do your personal shopping as well as you can start your own business. Yes guys, you can start your own business using this app without investing a penny, and that too from the comfort of your home. Isn't it cool guys? And you can earn up to 30 to 40,000 in a month. So if you want to know how to start your own business using Meesho app, I will discuss with you all the steps at the end of the video. Till then, keep on watching. And those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much guys. And those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe if you like my YouTube. I will come up with new ideas and new videos every weekend. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. So first let us start with our Indian wear. So first I have this very beautiful white chicken curry kurta with pants. Yes, this is a set, and you can see in the pants also there is detailing in the plazo or pant, you can call anything. So there are beautiful detailings here, and this kurti is so pretty. It is one of my favorite. They have provided work all over the kurti. And I bought a chicken curry kurta. Yes, I am so much obsessed with chicken curry kurtas. I really love them a lot. I love the details and everything. So next is this black color chicken curry kurta. Yes, this is also very pretty. You can pair this with jeans and anything, and you are good to go. But this one I just got only the kurta. There is no bottom part here. So I pair it with jeans or any black color leggings. It will look really very pretty. So you can see the details here also. It is very neat work and it is very pretty. And in the back side also they have given some work. So yeah, in Meesho they provide codes. So I will link everything in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. All these chicken curry kurtas are very pretty, but the only problem which I faced was the size. They don't have S size. So I ordered M size and then I have altered it. So if you want, you can also buy a bigger size if you don't find your own size, because I could not find S. So they have the kurtas, chicken curry kurtas starting from M only. So I went to a nearby tailor and I have altered it. So you can also do like that. So next again I have a pair of kurti. Yes, this is a printed white kurta. You will find prints all over. And this one came with this palazzo pant, which also has the same print, the flower print, and I really love the flower detailings, the color pink and orange. It is looking very pretty. And also they gave a dupatta with this one. Yes, and I got this in a very good deal, so you can check out if you want. So now let's begin with our western wears. So I bought only one dress from Meesho. I will surely shop more from Meesho next time. So you can see this one has a slit. I guess you have seen this kind of dresses in Myntra and everywhere. This brand called Berry Lush, they are providing this dress, but I got this one in a very cheap price, and the material is also not bad. It is rayon, I guess. So there is a slit, and I love something which has a slit, and the color is also very unique. So I chose this color. I wanted to experiment with these colors also, so that's why I chose this one, and this is very pretty. You can wear this when you are going out with your friends or on a date night. It will look really very perfect, and this one is really my favorite, and I'm really waiting to wear this outside. I'll insert here the picture of every item along with the price so that you can check it out. And the packaging of Meesho is also really very nice. I will insert a clip here so that you can see the packaging, and they provide everything with tags, so you can see. Yeah, this is from a brand called Shiv Retail. So I will link everything from my haul in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Also, if you want to shop from Meesho, it is very easy. You have to go to the search button in Meesho app and you have to type the order number, and the relevant pictures will pop out. Also, I have put a link in the description box below. If you guys download Meesho app using my link, you will get flat 30% off or rupees 100 off on your first purchase. Isn't it amazing, guys? So now let's carry on with our haul. I bought many tops from Meesho this time. So now let's begin with our top hauls. So I have this top, really nice material. You can see this is ripped material, and this is like this was the cheapest from the haul. You can wear this when you go to a market or nearby places. Like this is very nice and this is very comfortable to wear it for summers. And yeah, the rib material is also very nice. Again, I have a top. So this is a very pretty top, as you can see. I wore it outside once. This is very nice. This is a crop top. These plastic strings are given so to give a nice support to your off-shoulder top so that it doesn't fall out. So this is really very pretty. This is giving me some Disney kind of vibe. This is not embroidery. This is just painted with fabric, I guess, fabric colors. So this is really very cute. This is a neck top, as you can see. Next, I have my favorite top from Meesho. Yes, this is lavender color top, and you can, all of you know nowadays lavender color is so much in trend, and this is my favorite. I wore this one also outside, and this neck, you can see the sweetheart neck is so much in trend, and this looks so cute. You just pair it with a necklace and a jeans and you're good to go. You will really look amazing. And you can see this hand. As I told you in my earlier videos, I love this hand. And also, if you have missed out my thrift store or Instagram store haul, I will link in the I button. You can check it out. Last is this top which I am wearing. Yes, this is a rainbow colored top which is very much in trend, and you just see the hand. It is so very pretty. I really love this hand so much. I am like obsessed with this top, so I thought for this haul I will wear this the whole thing. Let me show you guys how you can start your own business or you can shop for yourself using Meesho app. So for that you need to download the Meesho app. You can download it using my link in the description box below.
You need to open the Meesho app, and then you have to go to the categories. There are various kind of categories like sari, western wear, Indian wear in the Meesho app. So I will open the kurta set categories, and then I will select any kurta which I like, or whichever your customer likes you can select, and then you can select any kurta which you like or any dress which you like from the Meesho app, and you have to select the size of the kurta whichever your customer orders. Then you have to add to cart, selecting the size of the kurta. Then you have to click in the continue button. You can also add other items if you want, and then you have to click to checkout, and you can select any mode of payment which your customer wants to pay in. You can also select COD, cash on delivery, or Paytm or anything. You have to select the margin. You can take any margin you want according to you. So I will be adding rupees 200 extra. So the original price of kurta was 617. So I am adding 200, which makes it 817. So your customer will not know that you have charged extra for this product. You have to add the shipping address where your customer wants the product to be delivered. You can add the shipping address, and then you have to place the order. So the order will be placed, and
you don't have to worry about packaging, delivery, anything. Meesho will take care of everything. Your customer receives the package, you will receive your extra amount in your bank account.
So do check out the Meesho app, guys, to find amazing trendy clothes at a very affordable price.
That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also do comment down which outfit you like the most from this haul, and I would really love to make more such haul videos or any videos for you guys. So do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more such haul videos or any other videos, because I make videos on DIY, fashion hacks and hauls. And yes, I will explore more because I really love to make more videos, or I really love to be engaged, and I really love speaking in front of the camera nowadays. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay fit, love you all, and we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye.